Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, and the question goes thus. Which of the following does the working of a blotting paper depends on? Okay, so let us understand what the whole concept is all about. The blotting paper is a highly absorbent type of paper or any other material. So it contains, note that it contains no glue, yet it is used to absorb excess of liquid substance such as ink or oil from the surface of writing paper or object via the capillary action. Okay, so take note. So let's go back to the answer option. Option A, diffusion. Diffusion refers to the movement of liquid between different concentrations, that is from a lower region to a higher region. Okay, but this is not actually that here. All right, good. Then option B says viscosity. This is the quantity that describes a fluid's resistance to flow. Okay, so this is not a property that makes the blotting paper to be able to absorb. All right, then option C, osmosis. This is a process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution to a more concentrated solution. But this is not the case here. All right. Option D, capillarity. Capillary action is the ability of liquid to flow in narrow space. Okay, so the working of a blotting paper depends on capillarity. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.